Hey, it's John from KEH. Today we're going to be diving in the world of two incredible cameras that cater to different needs. Whether you're a vlogger, a filmmaker, or an adventurous soul, the Sony A7C and the GoPro Hero10 are both powerhouses in their own right. Let's break down what makes each one of them unique and which one might be the perfect fit for your content creation journey. First up, the Sony A7C. A compact, full-frame camera that has been turning heads in the content creation world since 2020. This camera packs a punch with a 24-megapixel full-frame sensor, giving you stunning image quality. With 4K video capabilities and advanced autofocus, this camera is a dream for those who crave high-quality visuals in a portable package. The A7C's flip-out LCD screen is perfect for vlogging, allowing you to easily frame your shots and check focus while on the go. And with its interchangeable lens system, the creative possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about the GoPro Hero10, the action camera that's built for adventure. With 5.3K video recording at 60 frames per second, hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization, and improved low-light performance, this tiny beast is perfect for those dynamic, on-the-move shots. The Hero10 is not just a camera, it's a storyteller. Its rugged design and waterproof capabilities make it the ideal companion for anyone pushing the boundaries of their creativity. The Sony A7C offers a larger sensor, perfect for low light conditions and achieving that beautiful background blur, also having the ability to change your lenses. On the other hand, the GoPro Hero 10 is about durability and versatility, with its rugged design and a plethora of mounting options. While the A7C is fantastic for controlled environments, the Hero 10 thrives in action-packed scenarios. So it really comes down to what content you're creating. But what if you could have the best of both worlds? Imagine pairing the Sony A7C with its cinematic prowess for close-ups and storytelling, and then seamlessly switching to the GoPro Hero 10 for those wide-angle, action-packed scenes. Now that's a killer combination for any content creator. The Sony A7C and the GoPro Hero 10, two essential tools for your content creation arsenal. Let us know in the comments which one of these suits your style best, or if you're considering the dynamic duo approach. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and stay creative out there. If you're in the market for cameras or lenses to up your content creation, check out our website at keh.com.